Jay Haynes of the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show a fantastic resource for over 1,000 free models that are all CCO, which means they are free to use in any manner, including videos, commercials, video game design, and more. The website I'm talking about is thebasemesh.com, and there's a link in the description below. The first thing I'd like to show you is the model library. And the first thing to notice is that there are currently, at the time of this video, 1,127 models available. They're broken up into different categories for ease of use in finding them. You can also type in a search term here. Also, you can sort the models as well. For example, I might want to see the newest models first. Let me select a model to show you some more details. Notice that each model comes in FBX, OBJ, and GLB formats. You can also see how many trifaces the model possesses and whether or not it's already UV unwrapped. By clicking here, you can see the various material information, including the albedo, which is the actual color, the normals, the reflectivity, and the glossiness. In addition, you can even take a look at the topology. How cool is that? I've got to say that the topology here is super clean. After you've found a model that you'd like to download, all you have to do is click on the zip button right here. Unzipping the file, you'll find the 3 model types available for use. Dragging and dropping one of these into Blender, the first thing I'll do is tab into edit mode to take a look at the topology. As expected, it looks very clean. Under the UV Editing tab, I can see right away that the model has been correctly unwrapped and no further work is needed there. Back in the Layout tab, I'll toggle on the statistical information to find that it does in fact have the number of triangles that it said it did. And I can also take a look at the vertex count, edges, and so on. Lastly, I'll take a look at the normals to make sure they're all facing in the correct direction. And yes, of course they are. After texturing, you can see that I have a great asset that is usable in all kinds of different ways. Because this is a base mesh, I can use this as is for video game design, or I can add more topology to flesh out the model for use in a video or an image. I'm Jay Haynes of the Film Sensei YouTube channel, and this has been a look at thebasemesh.com. Like I said before, there's a link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.